Happy exam, children. So, this is the last video of this academic year, and I'm so happy that you all are moving towards a new academic year. So, I also feel bad that this is the last video and the live class going to be last. So, but we will meet soon and we will enjoy our new academic session, right? So, we have completed exercise A, B, C, and D. Now, in third part of practice sheet, we are going to do exercise E and exercise F. Last two exercise we are going to do today. So, exercise E. Answer the questions in one word. So, in your exam uh, the you have to write answers in one word. Okay, so first, what type of industry uses small machines and employs more people than a cottage industry? So there are three types of industries: small industries, cottage industries, then large scale industries, right? So small machines and the more people. कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री से ज़्यादा लोग और थोड़ी ज़्यादा मशीन्स. कौन टाइप की इंडस्ट्री यूज़ करती है? दैन स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री. Small scale industry, we have learned that in cottage industry we can run at our home. Only one person or other family person needed to run these industries, and it doesn't require the big machinery, small machineries. Only small tools we can need and we can start these cottage industries. But in a small scale industries we need more people than the cottage industry, and we need small machines also to run this industry. So these industries are called small scale industry. Second, in which year first cotton mills was established? So the year 1854. Cotton industry is the oldest industry in India, right? So उसकी शुरुआत कब हुई थी? 1854. Now third one. What type industries are big manufacturing industries? So large scale industries are the big manufacturing industries because more than thousands people, hundreds people work there, and so many big machines needed to run these industries. So these industries are called large scale industries. Fourth one, who was the Chandragupta's grandson? So this question we have learned also in fill in the blank. That Chandragupta's grandson was Asoka. Asoka was the grandson of the Chandraguptas. Fifth one, who was the advisor of Chandragupta Maurya? So Chandragupta Maurya के advisor कौन थे? कौटिल्य. Kautilya was the advisor. Advisor means कि if he do something and he need any suggestions, any guidance, then he can take help of Kautilya. So Kautilya was the advisor of the Chandragupta's Maurya. Fifth one, what language is our official language and is also spoken by a majority of Indians? So Hindi is not our national language, but Hindi is our official language which is spoken by a majority of Indians. हिंदी एक ऐसे लैंग्वेज है जो मोस्टली हर एक इंडियन बोल पाता है और वो बोलते भी है. So Hindi is an official language and is also spoken by a majority of Indians. Seventh one, which dance started as a form of worship? Worship means prayer. So फॉर्म ऑफ वर्शिप के लिए कौन सा डांस स्टार्ट करा है? इंडियन क्लासिकल डांस. आप कोई भी इवेंट या फंक्शन में जाओ तो पहले क्या होता है, वर्शिप होती है, प्रेयर होती है। तो प्रेयर के टाइम पर इंडियन क्लासिकल डांस, कथक, भरतनाट्यम जैसे क्लासिकल डांस से वर्शिप स्टार्ट होती है। सो इंडियन क्लासिकल डांस started as a form of worship. 8th one, which tolerance is a unique feature of India which unites the people. Religious tolerance is a unique feature of India which unites the people. Uh, as an Indian citizen, we have different regions, different castes, different religions, but although this type of diversity, we live in unity. So, this type of religion, we respect each other's religion. So, this type of religious tolerance is a unique feature of India which unites the people. Ninth one, which government exercise power over the state government to maintain unity, peace and harmony? सो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर ऐसी कौन सी गवर्नमेंट है जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर उसका पावर है कि आपके स्टेट में मेंटेन होनी चाहिए यूनिटी, पीस एंड हार्मनी? So the central government exercise the power over the state government to maintain unity, peace and harmony. 10th one, which is the highest court in India? The Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is the highest court in India, and the 11th one, highest court in the state, is at the state level. Highest court is the High Court. At the state level, highest court is the High Court, but in the country level in India, highest court is the Supreme Court. 12th, the Indian Constitution was drafted by whom? The Indian Constitution was drafted by the whom? Constituent Assembly. So, Indian Constitution एक ग्रुप ने बनाया था, द ने विच इज कॉल्ड Constituent Assembly. Which is the right where there should be no discrimination of the basis of sex, religion and the place of birth. ऐसा कौन सा right which is mentioned in our constitution book where there should be no discrimination on the basis of sex, religion and place of birth? कि ऐसा कौन सा राइट है जो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में मेंशन है कि जहाँ पर कोई भी भेदभाव नहीं है कि आप जेंडर रिलेटेड, लाइक आप गर्ल हो या बॉय हो, मैन वुमन, या फिर रिलीजन आपका कौन सा है, कि बर्थ ऑफ प्लेस कैसा है, कौन सा है. देयर इज नो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मीन्स भेदभाव, कोई भी भेदभाव नहीं है. द राइट इज इक्वालिटी, राइट टू इक्वालिटी. So, right to equality is the right where there should be no discrimination on the basis of sex, religion and the place of birth. 14th one, what is called a thick cloud of water drops formed above the land and water? Fog. Fog is called a thick cloud. In winter, many times we experienced fog, right? तो fog क्या है? We can't see when fog is there. So fog क्या है? A thick cloud of water drops formed above the land and water. If we try to touch the fog, then we feel something weight in our hand, right? कि हमारा हाथ थोड़े से गीले हो जाते हैं and we feel moisture. So fog में क्या होता है कि thick cloud होता है with made of water drops. So that is called fog. 5th one, what is called the level of underground water? The level of underground water is called water table. अंडरग्राउंड, अर्थ के नीचे कितना पानी का लेवल है वो जानने के लिए एक वर्ड यूज होता है, वाटर टेबल. 16th one, what plays a major role in causing weather changes? Sun plays a major role in causing weather changes. 17th one. What are called the object which allow light to pass through them partially, not completely? In our last session, we have done these three definitions: opaque, translucent, and transparent objects. So opaque object, which are the opaque object? That the object which does not allow light to pass through them. These objects are called opaque object. Now the transparent object, the object which allow light to pass through them completely. So these are called transparent object. Now in translucent object, the object which allow light to pass through them partially. Partially means कि एकदम से हमें clear object के object through नहीं दिखता है. We can see but something lighter. So these objects are called translucent objects. 18th one. Which type of sound waves create noise? Irregular sound waves are create noise. 19th one. What are called the object through which light to pass through them completely? So we have done this transparent object. 20th one. What is the force by which the earth pulls our object towards itself? ऐसा कौन सा फोर्स है जिससे अर्थ अपनी ओर कोई भी चीज को खींचता है? सो it is called gravitational force. By the gravitational force, the earth pulls other objects towards itself. 21. Which force exerted by our muscles? हमारी muscles से जो हम force करते हैं, that is called muscular force. Now 22. The last one. Which energy produced by breaking up or joining of atoms? Atomic energy. Atoms को तोड़ के या जोड़ के जो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करी जाती है, that is called atomic energy. Now exercise F. Match the following. First, weather. Now go through all the options. A. Snow. B. Barking dogs. C. Evaporation. D. Changing day to day. And the E. Reflection. So the right answer is D. Weather is changes day to day. हर दिन same temperature नहीं होता है. So sometimes more hot, more heat, and sometimes less heat, sometimes more cold, sometimes monsoon. So weather changes day to day. Changing of water into water vapor, that is called evaporation. By heating, changes water into water vapor by heating, that is called evaporation. So answer is C, evaporation. 3. Bouncing back of light. If we hit the light on the smooth surface, then the light bounces back to you. That is called reflection. E. Reflection. 4th, unpleasant sound. So unpleasant sound, barking dog. जब dog की बार्क की आवाज आती है, बस भौंकने की आवाज आती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड बार्किंग. उसको बोलते हैं बार्किंग करना. डॉग बार्क कर रहा है, सो डॉग इज बार्किंग. सो बी राइट आंसर इज बी. नाउ द 5th वन. Tiny white flakes falling from the sky. Tiny white flakes falling from the sky. 5th one. It's A. Snow. Now the second one. Hottest part of the day. D. Hottest part of the day. Wind. Wind is the right answer is afternoon. Afternoon is the hottest part of the day because sun is over our head. Sun middle में होता है, that's why the hottest part of the day is afternoon. B. Second, moving air. So moving air is called wind. Answer is E. Moving air is called wind. Third one, light cannot pass through. Light cannot pass through. So that is called which type of object? It's a opaque object, not object. Okay, so typing mistake is there, that opaque, OPAQUE, opaque. Okay, not object. Now the fourth one, loud sound. Loud sound. It is called sound of loudspeaker. Sound of loudspeaker. The ability to do work. The ability to do work is called energy. Is called energy. कि आप में कितनी एनर्जी है, आप कितनी एनर्जी से वो वर्क कर सकते हो, आप में एबिलिटी, यू आर एबल टू डू दिस वर्क और नॉट. दिस मेजर of this energy level of your body. It's measured by the energy level of your body. Now the third one, automobile industry. So where this automobile industry setup is गुरुग्राम. गुरुग्राम में ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्रीज है. सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री, इट्स सिंदरी, सिंदरी. एंड medieval period, it's 700 CE to 1750 CE. CE, the full form of CE is Common Era. Modern period, so modern period is 7050 to 9047 CE are called modern period. And Akbar is the Din-e-Ilahi. Din-e-Ilahi. See, उस टाइम पर जो किंग होते थे मुगल एम्पायर में, उनको बोला जाता था दिन-ए-इलाही. लास्ट वन, बिहू डांस. बिहू डांस इज ईस्टर्न इंडिया. ओनम is celebrated in Kerala. Rice and fish. Rice and fish is a staple food of Assam. All Indians should develop a feeling of brotherhood. हमें भाईचारा से रहना चाहिए. We should develop this feeling. The English language has been unifying factor of India. So children, we have done this message following and the one answer. So just read all the questions properly. If you don't understand anything in exercise A, B, C, D, E and F, then note it down. We will solve in our live session. Okay children, do your homework properly, prepare well for exam and take care of your health. Okay, be happy. Thank you.